Welcome back. My name is Teresa and I'm very much alive. Actually, I'm hands, not alive, but I'm hands and alive. I have an awful garbage, filthy mouth where sometimes, just sometimes, I tend to use the word fuck as a comma. If you're not into that or weird stuff in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul. But I'll remember our time fondly. We have a Glossybox unboxing box, Glossybox, yay! Glossybox unboxing. This is the summer bag. Can I tell you? Look how cute this is. Oh my God, don't look at the back, don't look at the back. Don't look at her back, okay? She just rolls back there. Well, actually all the products are back there, but this bag is really cute and it's gonna come in handy when I go on vacation. I don't know, I feel very Oprah / Price is Right today. Like, you want a car? Like, that's all I want to do, and I'm loving that for me. If you are not familiar with these unboxings, I am stupid and ridiculous. But I want to say thank you so much to Glossybox for sending this box my way. I super appreciate it. And while yes, this is sent to me, I do give my full, unapologetic, unfiltered, disgusting thoughts about each box, or in this case, a bag. But before I go any further, and before I tell you a little bit about Glossybox and this little limited edition number, I have a really exciting offer for y'all. If you use the code Theresa1, you can get your first box for $1 if you purchase a 12-month subscription. And it would also give you $5 off this limited edition summer bag. Please know if you do use the code, I do get a small kickback. Now with that said, let me tell you a little bit about the summer bag.
Glossybox Summer Beauty Bag retails for $35. New and improved for 2021, the Glossybox Summer Beauty Bag is limited edition is the best way to update your beauty routine for the sunny season. Our luxurious glossy pink faux leather bag features our clear window on the front and the back to see your beauty essentials, and it's the perfect size for traveling. Inside you'll find 9 products handpicked by our experts worth in total over $140.
I have to say, this is by far the cutest thing I've ever got from Glossybox, and I feel like I will definitely be utilizing this. It's really fucking cute. So if we open her up, you get the little pamphlet here and you get all the stuff. Again, this is what the little clear box looks like. My favorite part, these silica gel packets. These are so tasty to eat. Just kidding. Don't fucking do that. Don't be a weirdo. But I actually really like this. And I'm gonna utilize the fuck out of it. This is really cute. Okay, so we love that. So far we're on to a good start. This is a little pamphlet you get. Inside is gonna list all the products, which I'm gonna be reading from. And yeah, it's pretty much it. So let's start with the first product, and that will be the skin repair. Ooh. First of all I had to see was CBD and my dick got hard. I love CBD skincare. I have redness in my skin and I have found that skincare with CBD in it has been a godsend, so I am excited to try this boy. This is called Skin Repair. This retails for $34. Formulated with vitamin K for anti-aging, CBD for soothing, and arnica for anti-inflammation. This cream is used by salon estheticians after peels and waxings. Where the fuck were you yesterday? Can I tell you, I scrubbed my face a little bit too hard and it felt like I looked like a beef carpaccio and I was dying, okay? Where were you yesterday? I needed some relief and I got nothing. Instead I cried my salty tears in my pillow. But anyway, this cream is used by salon estheticians after peels and waxing because of its soothing and healing qualities. It's perfect for face and body, including sensitive skin, brightening under eyes, and correcting hyperpigmentation. It's a lot of heavy fucking claims. Oh my God, really? I can't open this. Okay, oof. Ooh. It looks like margarine. Oh, okay. But it feels like buttercream. I'm intrigued. Oh, that's smooth. I really have no sense of smell today. Like, it's bad. My allergies are in full effect. Hence why I kind of sound a little froggy. I am not sick. It's just allergies and I can't smell this. I don't even know what the fuck it smells like, but it feels luxurious. I actually like that it doesn't feel greasy or anything. It feels nice. All right, I'm gonna give this boy a whirl. Super excited to try it. And so far I'm actually really pleasantly pleased with the box. The next thing is from Bumble and Bumble, and this is the Surf Infusion. So this is a travel size. It retails retails for $17. It's described as, it's officially beach weather. Give your hair some breezy waves with salt meets oil spray. Its mineral complex enhance your hair's texture, while its tropical oils and sea botanicals leave behind a soft, touchable finish. Plus, the UV filters help protect against sun damage. That is really intriguing. Listen, I just want to be a beachy mermaid, okay? I want to be a fucking obese mermaid. I want to have kids feed me fucking sardines next to the seals. That's my dream in life. And I want beachy hair while it's happening. Now, I'm actually going to be going to Florida. I know, I need to go see my best friend. Listen, it's been too long. We need to fucking hold hands and stare into the supermoon, all right? I miss him to fucking pieces. So I'm taking a couple of days off in July. I'm gonna go down Florida and we're just gonna be weird and I cannot fucking wait for it. But I bought a shitload of SPF to try while I'm down there because you bitch is uncooked chicken and I don't wanna come back a plump fryer. I do have another spray that I purchased when I was drunk during my Patreon drunk buying shopping time, something other. I don't remember the fucking title of it. Anyway, one of the things I purchased was like a spray for my hair so my little scalp can be okay against the horrible UV rays. And I'm actually gonna bring this too because I'm kind of curious to see if I can obtain beachy waves. I have heard good things about Bumble and Bumble, so I'm hopeful here. But yeah, I'm not mad at this product. This is kind of cute. All right, so the next thing is, I have never heard of this brand before. This is from Dome Beauty, and this is called the Eye Jewel Chocolate Diamond. Okay, what the fuck is this? So this retails for a while. Ooh, this looks like shit. Okay. No offense to the brand, it's just a color that is very reminiscent to things that come out of me. So this retails for $25. This perfectly pigmented mousse-like shadow feels comfortable and lightweight on the lids, featuring a light, airy formula with a luscious whipped texture. It provides a luminescent finish that simultaneously moisturizes your lids and allows for a non-sticky or heavy feeling. Listen, that is some cool claims. I cannot help. Oh my god, that is so jelly-like. Oh, I don't know how I feel about that one. I can see my finger touching it and it's like, oh my god. Okay, all right. So that does not look appetizing, but we are, oh, okay. Maybe, you know what? Sometimes I judge things too quickly, all right? I know that about me, and that's a big fault of mine. But this, though, this is interesting. Okay, okay, okay. The color is not so shit brown, which I appreciate. It's actually a little bit more of a bronzy color. The texture is really interesting and weird all at the same time. Like, I don't know if I should cry or climax. You know what I mean? Like, it's kind of a little bit of both. It has a jelly-like weird texture, but this doesn't feel sticky. It's actually drying down pretty fast. Not that fast. I could actually erase it away with my finger. So, all right. So I feel like there's a little maybe trial and error with this product, but okay. I almost wish though that this was a different color because the color is like, I don't know, not super appetizing, but whatever. We're gonna give it a fucking whirl. Yeah, I'll let you know if I cry or climax after using this. The next product is from After Spa, and these are reusable rounds. These retail for $10, and I feel like I actually got something similar to this. So I'm not gonna open these up. I'm gonna pack these away from when I go away. Basically, they're just reusable rounds that are a sustainable alternative to disposable makeup removing wipes, which honestly, I try not to fuck with too many makeup removing wipes because of whatever's in them usually irritates the shit out of my skin. So I've been utilizing more cleansing balms and using a makeup eraser, but I am going to be using these reusable rounds when I go away. I'll let you know how they are. The next thing is a fucking perfume. Ugh. So this is from the brand Solenote. I'm not even gonna fucking open it because I don't care. But this is a roll-on perfume and the fragrance is Fig Tree Flower. Originating in Paris, this fragrance is irresistible with this tangy and compelling blackcurrant grapefruit blah blah blah. I kind of stopped reading it because I don't give a shit. This is $10. Yeah, I'm not gonna use it ever. Fragrance is just lost on me. I don't really give a shit about this product. Next. The next one is from Ico. So I feel like I got another mascara from this brand, whether it was Look Fantastic or Glossybox, I cannot remember. This one is the Beach Waterproof Mascara, and this retails for $13. Whether you're splashing in the sea or enjoying the hot summer air, this mascara won't run or smudge. Okay. I like that. The innovative brush. What is so innovative about this brush? It looks like any other fucking mascara brush. The innovative wave brush delivers instant volume and length to maximize your natural lashes, and the waterproof formula holds curl even in the most stubborn straight lashes. Okay, my lashes I would say for the most part are pretty straight, so that's some heavy claims. I am not the type of bitch that wears makeup and goes into pools or actually I don't go to the fucking beach, all right? More like pools. I don't want to have like an oil slick in the pool and then have to explain to people what it is. So I don't wear makeup, but because it's gonna be hot as fuck down there, you know, I will actually bring this with me to test this out. I get very, very sweaty down there, so. Ooh, that sounded really weird when I said it like that. I meant to say like I get really sweaty when I go to Florida, not like down there, okay? Whatever, grow up. I'm intrigued to check this out because it has some heavy claims, but I have no expectations.
Ooh, hello, baby.
This is from
Margaret Dabbs, London.
I can't, listen, I cannot help it, okay? When I see Margaret, I have to say that, all right? It makes me think of Margaret Candleflame. That's just what it is, fam, all right?
Margaret Dabbs, London.
I don't know why I keep saying it, but I love every second of it. So this is a deluxe mini. This retails for $8. This is the Intensive Hydrating Foot Lotion. Bitch, you came at the best time. Can I tell you? My feet are all kinds of fucked up right now. I need a good foot lotion that will help my ass out. For fabulous feet, I want fabulous feet. Sandal season is here, so it's time to get your heels in check. Oh my God, I can't. This award-winning foot lotion's anti-inflammatory. Ooh, bitch. Can I tell you, I feel like I've gotten to that age where I love things that say anti-inflammatory. I'm like, oh, yes, it's for me. Antibacterial and hydrating properties, yes, 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 yes. Help with common foot complaints, including dehydrated skin, hard skin buildup, and even aching feet. Okay, I mean, that sounds really interesting. I definitely don't have aching feet, but the bottom of my feet are so tough that I'm pretty sure if someone sticks a needle or tries to torture me in my feet, I wouldn't feel it. If anything, I'd be like,
so when are you gonna start torturing me?
So I'm kind of curious to see if it's gonna break away the horrible dead skin on the bottom of my feet. Thanks, Margaret Dabbs. Thank you, I love you. The next thing is from a brand called Codex Beauty. Never heard of Codex before. This is the Bia Exfoliating Wash. This is a deluxe mini. This retails for $10. This cleanser's creamy and gentle exfoliating texture is the best way to wash your face after a day in the sun. The elderflower hydrosol gently tones. Its milk thistle oil soothes and reduces redness, and castor and sunflower oils minimize the appearance of large pores and increase hydration. This also sounds fabulous. Again, since I'm going to Florida, this kind of, I feel like a lot of these products actually make sense, and I'm going to be actually taking them with me. Do you hear the genuine surprise in my voice? Because I'm surprised that I'm even saying that. But this sounds actually kind of fucking interesting. So I know I'm gonna be splashing around like Esther Williams. So I am really excited to fucking try this after I get out of the pool. All right. Okay, bitch. All right. And last but certainly not least, we have another thing from Codex Beauty, and this is the Bia Skin Superfood. So this is another deluxe mini. This retails for $15. It's important to follow your cleansing routine with a moisturizer. This rich, restoring cream made Codex patented biocomplex formula rehydrates your skin and is clinically proven to soften, smooth, and promote a more even skin tone. Okay, that sounds pretty interesting. I might also pack this too as a potential moisturizer for the few days that I'm in Florida. You know what, fuck it, I'm gonna bring both of them. We'll test everything out and then I will report back. Let's see, what is going in this bag for me? Definitely the reusable rounds. I really wanna try the CBD one. So we're gonna put the CBD guy back in. We're gonna put it in this little box, put that in there. The jelly eye thing, I don't know if this is something that I need to take with me. This might be something that I try at home. So sorry you do not make the bag. Please cry over in the corner there. Thank you. Same thing with the perfume. You can go fuck yourself. The mascara, yes, we shall bring this. Yes, I want to look like a fat mermaid. We're bringing the Bumble and Bumble. We need to keep my feet in check, so we're bringing the
Margaret Dabbs.
And we're going to try the Codex stuff. We're going to throw caution to the wind here, all right? Anyway, so that's actually, you know what? That's not bad. And it fits so perfectly in my teeny tiny little pouch. 2 out of the 9 products were like meh to me. That's actually pretty good. I'm pleasantly fucking surprised. For $35, this is a pretty good limited edition bag. Anyway, let me know down below if you were interested in picking this up. This is actually way cuter than I expected, I'll be honest. I really had no expectations for the summer bag, but I think it kind of came at the right time. This bag was meant to be in my life, y'all, okay? So with that said, if you are interested in ever checking out this bag or a subscription for Glossybox, please make sure you use the code Theresa1. You can get your first box for $1 if you purchase a 12-month subscription, and you can get $5 off this limited edition bag. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. As always, feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button, it's free, and hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really gross, fat mermaid garbage boat alive. Wait, what? I couldn't do it without you. I love your adorable little delicious faces. Please feed me a sardine and be on your way. Seriously, I love you so much. If you want to know what's currently on my nails, along with where to get this bag, my merch, my bloopity blop blop, whatever, everything will be listed in the description box below. And I'll see you little flounders later. Bye. I can't help it. I'm so sorry, but I'm not at the same time.